Hey, what's going on, guys? Raheem Madison here, and on today's video, I'm going to be giving you a Kucoin Exchange review. And as usual, you know we like to jump right into the content because I hate wasting you guys' time. But before we do that, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and also tick that little bell icon to be notified anytime that I release any new videos. So with that being said, we're going to jump right into the content. All right, guys, so this right here is called Kucoin. This is a newer exchange. Some of you are familiar with Binance, Bittrex, and there's a couple other ones out there, but most people use those particular platforms or those exchanges to buy their altcoins, right? But this is a newer one that has, some altcoins that are not on those other platforms. Now, that's not the only thing that, got me interested in the platform. The perks were what got me interested in the platform. So I'll go over those, and then I'll go over pretty much the rest of these tabs and what's to look out for. All right. So let's talk about these perks. All right. So if I have it written down right here verbatim, so you're getting the correct information. All right. So the first perk is Kucoin will reward KCS holders. So a KCS holder would be a holder of their coin. So if you invest in their coin and you hold it, they're going to pay you 50% of the daily revenue as a bonus at a set time every day. So as long as you buy their coin and hold it, you're going to earn passive income. Now, how powerful is that, guys? So if you've been following me, obviously I'm involved with BitConnect. I haven't yet shared Hashflare on my page, but I've also invested into Hashflare, which is also passive income. And then now I'm here on this platform where they state, this is what they state, guys. I only go by what they state, right? I don't use my words. All right, so it says they will pay 50% of the daily revenue as a bonus at a set time every day. 50% of the daily revenue is what they're going to pay you as a bonus. All right, so that's the first perk, right? I was like, oh yeah, that's pretty interesting right there, right? That's easy. I can just invest into their coin and I'm going to earn passive income, right? All right, so the next one, because this one is important, all right? This one right here is super important. All right, so the next perk is Kucoin is going to return 40% of trading fees to users as an invitation bonus. So 40% of trading fees to users, right? And that pretty much goes into the 3-tier referral program and where that whole 40% comes from. All right, so they have a 3-tier referral program, just as BitConnect also has a 3-tier referral program. So if you don't know yet, how a 3-tier works, let me explain it. So first, it will start at me. So let's say I'm the person who finds out about Kucoin and then I share it with you, right? You would be a direct referral because I directly referred you, right? You use my affiliate link directly through me. Now, let's say you go out now, since I refer you, you go out, you refer one person, that will be my second level, right? And then that person who you refer goes out and refer one person, that person will be my third level. So there's only 3 levels, the same as BitConnect, right? So hopefully that makes sense. Now let's talk about the percentages as well. So there is, just to make sure I got this right, let me look back at my notes. All right, so my notes are, oh man, I just screwed up my stuff. Give me just a second, guys. All right, so my notes are saying that for the first level, you get 20% of the fees of your directly invited users, right? So that's 20% for the first level. So that first level, remember, is me to you directly, right? So the next level is 12% of the fees of your indirectly invited users. So that person who you referred, I'm going to get 12% of the fees of that user, right? And then the third level would be from the person who you referred. They went out and referred someone. That's the third level. So 8% from the fees of your indirectly invited users. And the same thing goes for you. If you refer somebody directly, then the same thing goes 3 levels down, right? So hopefully that makes sense. Hopefully it's not too confusing. I always like to help out. So if you got value from that, just smash the like button. All right, so let's take a look further into it. Okay, so that's all of the perks. But those perks alone definitely attracted me to this platform. Not to mention, I've been doing some research on CoinMarketCap of some different projects and coins that are coming out. But I noticed that Binance and Bittrex didn't have some of the coins that I've been looking at. Things like exchanges like Cryptopia. Now Kucoin has some of the coins that I want to invest in. So, I just took advantage. It's always best to take advantage. So if they do decide to close registration and not let new people get involved like Bittrex and Binance did for a little time, where they kind of closed it off because I'm assuming they were getting too much people signing up. So they pretty much just closed it off for a bit. If I'm wrong, let me know in the comments if something else was going on. But I did get into both of them, so I'm good to go. But let's just continue on Kucoin. All right, so I talked about the perks. This is actually the home page. On the home page, they show like little banners basically showing you the bonuses and rewards that they have going on right now. Now they also show you what's going on in the market. So they show you all the coins that they have here in their exchange and what's going on with them. So you'll see these numbers change from time to time. It's almost like you're looking at the trading view, and you'll see the numbers going up and the percentages going down. You pretty much see the action from here. All right, so that's the home page. Now let's go to the markets page. Now this is where these are all the coins that they have within their exchange, right? So as you can see, it's a bunch of coins that they have here on their exchange, some that are not on Bittrex and some that are not on Binance. So that's a plus, right? It's actually a plus to have all of those exchanges. That way you can buy pretty much all the altcoins that you want to buy, right? So that's that. If you want to see the trading view of any of these, all you will have to do is just click on it, right? So if I click on this, it's going to bring me over to the trading view. Now, to some of you newer people, this may look a little bit overwhelming. But that's okay, because the more you get involved with this crypto stuff, this stuff is just going to be easy, honestly, guys. Because really all it is, you're monitoring charts, you're looking at certain patterns. The candles definitely help. So if you're new, I'll just go ahead and zoom in for you. So basically, this means it's going up. This means it kind of came down a little bit. So up and down, green, red, same, just like green, go light, and then red. Red usually means there's a buying opportunity for the most part, right? If you're trading, all right. So that's the trading view for Kucoin. How you let me actually go back so I can just show you how you would buy. It says buy and sell here, but I want to say if you click that, it would take you back over to the trading view, but it may not, right? I haven't tried it yet. Right here, this is important. So if you have anything that you have with crypto that's involving crypto, make sure that you use two-factor authentication, right? So basically, it's an app that you download on your phone. They're going to ask you to take a picture of your a barcode. I forget what they call it, QR code, and it's going to have you take a picture, so that way your account is more secure, because there are a lot of people getting hacked right now. So, and you don't want to be one of those people. Trust me, you don't want to be one of those people that are getting hacked, right? So make sure to do Google two-factor authentication on all of your crypto stuff. All right, so that's the trading view for it. Then that was the markets tab. Remember, that's the markets tab. If you want to go back to that, just click on any one of the coins that you want to invest in, or just kind of monitor the market. All right, so that was that. The assets tab is basically just showing your entire portfolio, what you have invested in, and that's pretty much what the assets tab shows you. Settings, that's pretty verbatim. You can pretty much set up your Google two-factor authentication, which I highly recommend, and pretty much just like normal things such as your profile settings. All right. Now let's get into the Explore tab, guys. So the Kucoin bonus. All right, so I talked about this a little bit earlier where they're going to pay you 50% of the daily revenue. Now let's take a look and we're going to read this. It says the amount of Kucoin bonus is calculated based on the amount of asset held at 000, which is 12 a.m. on a daily basis, and the trading fee of Kucoin shares KCS, so that's their coin, today. If the calculated amount is less than 0.00000001, the amount of Kucoin bonus will be ignored. So you won't receive a bonus if the calculated amount is less than that. All right. So that's what I was referring to with the whole bonus thing. Now, if you click right here, it will take you to a YouTube video that explains the whole Kucoin bonus and how it works. I actually watched that video, and that's why I'm here now showing you this whole Kucoin Exchange, because I was just like, they're gonna pay me just to hold their coin? You better believe I'm getting involved with it, right? So I'm here now, guys. Now let's go to the invitation bonus. This is going to pretty much break down what I was explaining with the 3-tier referral program and how that whole thing works. So it says directly invited. So this is your direct referral. This will be your indirect referral, so your second level. And then this will be your third level, your second indirectly invited. Right now, if you want to share this, right, once you get in, you want to share this pretty much the same way I'm sharing this with you here, then you can just go right here, hit copy. You can use that, or you can use the QR code. It depends on how you're going to be promoting. I probably won't use the QR code, but this is my QR code right here. Or you can just hit copy. And if let's say you just want to use your invitation code, the code that's on the end of it, then you could probably put this in a video. Let's just say like it just pops up on the video where people can see it, and that way they can sign up with you that way, right? It's really up to you. All right, and then I'll just read this. It says after the extraction of the reward automatically into the court. Oh wait, let me read that one more time. After the extraction of the reward automatically goes into the corresponding wallet, the next extraction which will be in 3 days. Right, so I'm assuming that's the countdown until 3 days, and then a reward would come if I was holding their coin. And like I said, guys, most likely I'm probably going to be getting their coin because I'm already involved in BitConnect, which pays me passive income. I'm already involved in Hashflare, which also pays me passive income. So to hold on to someone's coin and then pretty much get a dividend, or I would just call it passive income, that's pretty powerful to me. All right, so that's pretty much the entire platform, guys. I hope you got value from this, and if you did, go ahead and smash the like button. And honestly, I highly recommend this platform, actually, especially if you want to get certain coins that are not on like Binance and Bittrex or any one of those other exchanges. I highly recommend this platform. I haven't seen any issues or heard any issues as of yet, so to me, it's a go, but don't take my advice, right? Don't take my advice. This is just something that I'm involving myself in. All right. So with that being said, guys, like I said, if you did get value, go ahead and smash the like button. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, be sure to subscribe. Tick that bell icon to be notified anytime that I release any new videos. Now, with that being said, I look forward to seeing you in the next video, my friend. Peace.